Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is resetting the iPad between users. First, let's talk about why you might want to reset your iPad. Resetting the iPad erases all personal information and data from the iPad for safety and privacy. This means it will erase all photos, messages, search history, and apps that were purchased or installed on the device. The device will appear as if brand new once it is reset. If you are managing a device loan program, you may wish to reset iPads between users to protect the privacy and safety of the previous user and to ensure maximum available storage space for the following user. If you recently purchased a used iPad from another user, you may wish to reset the iPad to remove their data and start fresh. Next, let's talk about how to reset your iPad. Remember to back up the iPad to the iCloud or a different device if you wish to retain any of the apps, photos, contacts, or any other data on the device. If you don't need to retain any data, or if you have already backed the device up, you can reset your device by going into the Settings menu. The app icon looks like this. It's a silver gear with the word Settings underneath. Tap on that. And then on the left-hand side of the Settings menu, you'll find General, and tap General. And then on the bottom of the General Settings menu, you'll see an option to reset. Tap Reset and you'll see various reset options. Then tap Erase All Content and Settings to completely reset the device and clear all data. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.